Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to use Copilot on Windows 11. Copilot in Windows integrates generative AI directly into your operating system. Unlike browser-based tools like ChatGPT, Copilot can control system functions and access Windows settings via natural language commands. To open Copilot in Windows 11, press Windows plus C on your keyboard or click the Copilot icon in the taskbar. Now, once open, just type or speak the command line like turn on dark mode. Open Notepad, change wallpaper to a nature photo or take a screenshot. You can do whatever command it can do, like search and assistance like summarize this article, write a professional email to my boss, generate to-do list for project planning, and what's the weather like this weekend in Paris. Use precise commands for system tasks like turn on Wi-Fi or snap this window to the left. It's great for productivity shortcuts like launching apps or adjusting display settings without navigating menus. You can combine Copilot with Edge or Bing Chat for web-based assistance alongside local system control. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.